You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from German, meaning cuddling bear in German. This has become quite famous. This is also the name of an instrument, I believe, for beard. The German pronunciation is as Kuschelbär. Yes, the A with an umlaut on it is E. Okay, so this is why it looks like Kuschelbär. No, Kuschelbär. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.